Hi, greetings to you, wherever you are. This is Sandra, and I'm zooming in from Hurghada in Egypt, where I am right now. Uh, it's September. It's kind of season for getting moving again, and I've set out my calendar for energy trainings for the coming few months that you might like to know about. Why do we need to learn about energy? Well, energy and energy flow is about the inner journey of life as we experience our lives. Our emotions show us the way we handle and respond to life. And when life is a struggle, as these days we have plenty of reasons to have challenge and struggle, it's our emotions where our energy is either blocked or flowing that shows us how we're doing. And so learning about energy, emotion, how to transform our emotions, to get into our flow, to get back into alignment with our real healthy spiritual self is very important and valuable knowledge and skills to have to manage ourselves and also to help each other along the journey, whether that's personally or professionally. So energy trainings are a fantastic thing to embark upon learning, and I have a number coming up this season. This week, very first one of September, is the Modern Energy Tapping Professional. So that's for healers and therapists that want to use and learn the energy tapping modality with positive energies, so we can focus into the future towards solutions to our problems and improve our inner energy flow and emotional state and our general state of being as we respond to life. So Modern Energy Tapping Professional, previously known as EFT, but what we do is a little bit different from the EFT of old, as we just focus on working with adding the energies that we need in order that we feel better, cope better, or stronger, and come back to ourselves. Next, after that, I have a 1-day experience workshop for anybody, for self-help or for healers and practitioners, to introduce 4 of our major modalities that we work with: emo, energy tapping, and supermind, and star matrix. So it's a taster day. You can experience all these techniques, apply them to your personal life situation and journey where you're at right now, and evaluate them as whether which tools you like, which work for you, which resonate with you, and which you might then choose to pursue further after that workshop. Later in the month, then the 27th of September, starts a 12-week journey of Star Matrix. Star Matrix is all about tuning into our inner light by activating the positive star memories of our past, bringing them out of the unconscious, bringing that energy forth, embodying the qualities, the positive qualities and energy that were lived and experienced in those moments, and showing us more about who we really are and helping us to embody more of who we really are. So another very positively focused, powerful, energizing and uplifting journey. Great fun, which we do as a group, Star Matrix. And then in October, I have the most beautiful emo, energy in motion. Many of us know and love emo. Here we tune into the emotions in the body where we feel it, and we apply intention to soften where we're blocked, transform that blocked energy into flowing energy, And we all just love to feel the movement of that energy through the body and out as we transform from a stress and pain and struggle back into flow, into love, and evolving, learning and growing as we do. So this is a wonderful foundation in energy and the energy laws and principles, and the powerful, very simple and beautiful method of transforming our emotions in the most simple way. Great for personal knowledge and personal development, and also for healers and therapists. Everybody should know emo. And then later in October, my last course and journey for the year begins Supermind. And in Supermind is for those who love mind journeys, the places that you go in your mind, but to enter those places in a full six sensory immersive experience and communicate with this deeper aspect of ourselves and harness the power of that creativity, unlimited resourcefulness that we have, and tap into that for solving and evolving our everyday problems, and for endless creativity when we get the connection with the conscious mind and the unconscious mind or energy mind working really well. So magical journeys, great for healers and coaches, great for self-management and connecting with your deeper self and soul level. Supermind, and that's a 12-week journey starting at the end of October. So that's my busy energy training calendar, and I invite you to come and have a look. The details are in the post around this video, or just contact me with any of your questions, and I'll be very happy to chat with you and see which is the best step for you right now to get more empowered, get more knowledge of yourself, get more skills to manage yourself, as let's face it, it's not an easy journey we're all on, and making it easy is just about helping that inner flow, and that's all about our energy. Thanks for listening, and look forward to hearing from you.